everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1964 Chevrolet. This is a true Malibu SS. Neat little resto mod car, guys. We actually just took the car in on trade from a couple. They did not build the car. They bought the car done. But the car has 1,400 miles on a body-up restoration. Really cool color. This is called silver blue metallic. Dark silver, I guess is the way I'd call it. Pretty cool color. It's got the black vinyl interior in it. And again, it is a real super sport car. Fun little car to drive. It's got a 383 stroker motor in it with a roller camshaft. It's got air, four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a great look to it, sitting on 17-inch chrome American Racing torque thrust wheels. You can see they've updated the headlight. The headlights, the chrome and trim is nice. Bumpers are nice. Again, it's a cool color. Seen some little tough touch-up marks, you know, a few minor little imperfections in the car, but very nice. Padded dash, dual chrome mirrors. And you can see a few little things that you can kind of pick at in the trim, but it's a really nice car. Again, I always try to point out anything I see that, you know, we sell these things sight unseen other than the videos, so I try to point out anything that I can see. These look like the original bezels. They're a little bit pitted there. The tail panel looks really good, and it looks original. Sits good. It looks like they've got it lowered down a little bit. Again, as I'm saying, you can see, you know, a couple little imperfections in the car, but pretty doggone nice. Four-wheel disc brakes. Good running 383 stroker, guys. It's got the Edelbrock AVS 4-barrel with the intake on it. Again, roller camshaft. It's got headers. You can see it's got the CVF front runner system on it with power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes. It looks like they've updated all the steering unit on it. It's got vintage air. 200R 4 automatic overdrive trans. It's got the Griffin aluminum radiator with electric fan. MSD Pro billet distributor. Again, chrome mirrors, pick at that a little bit. It's got the original A-pillar chrome, which you can pick at that a little bit. Looks like new door handles, new door rubbers. That's just a little wax there, guys. We're seeing a little white compound. It's got a complete custom sound system in it, new carpet. Yeah, it's just a little wax. If you're seeing that, it's just a little wax from them polishing it out. Factory bucket seats with center console. It's got a chrome tilt column with a billet wheel. It's got the Dakota VHX gauge cluster in it. Again, custom sound system, padded dash. It's got the custom molded speaker pads in it. It's got a aftermarket wiring harness in it. H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system. It is a 10-bolt 308 posi rear axle. They got the chrome spare with the jack, which is pretty cool. There is, I think there's some little manuals, and there's a little write-up on the car that goes with it. And then, of course, your original owner's or service manual. But it's really nice. It's all spackle coated really nice in the trunk. Clean underneath. This is where I always try to stress to you, make sure if you're looking at something on our website, you're seeing this video, make sure you're on southernmotors.com. A lot of scams. We're getting multiple emails, multiple phone calls every single day. People, you know, they steal our pictures. They even take, you know, our videos. These have been all repadded and refoamed too. And they're posting stuff on the internet. We're fielding calls constantly, all day long. Calls and emails all day long with fake ads with our cars in it. So again, southernmotors.com or call us 248-620-3355. Here's down there. Yeah, nice little cam to it. $14.53 on your odometer. Lower motor works, gauges are all functional. Yeah, I only said the backup lights. Yeah, their backup lights work. Interior lights are working in there. Radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Cool color. You can kind of see it in the sun now. You can see the blue haze to it. That's the way I would describe it. Pretty cool. Have a great day, guys.